How would you describe the G as a fishing target?
Dark black, on a ray, fish 2 rod lengths away, and strip.
Coming. Another one.
Best part, once you get them hooked and they take off, who knows how the story is going to end.
Good. Get your rod ready. Relax.
Fuckers.
Okay. Strip.
Yeah!
Just when you think you figured it out, they win.
Okay. Carrot. Oh, my friend.
Quite simply, GT fishing is exciting because they pop up out of nowhere. You spend hours staring at the ocean, white sand, looking, and next minute, out of the corner of your eye, there comes that fish. And everyone panics, it doesn't matter. I've seen thousands of them caught, and even still myself, every single time there's that moment of panic that occurs, and you have to just sort of take a breath, do the necessary, and fight the fish as calmly as possible.
Okay, let's start casting. You see the blackfish? That's it, start casting, more right. Long shot.
Saying that, it's probably not going to happen. There's going to be chaos. The line's going to wrap around a rod. It's going to grab something on the floor, have you by the leg, and there's going to be, like I say, a moment of chaos.
Strip. Yes.
Double up.
Marco, strip down. Keep stripping, Marco. Keep stripping, Marco, strip hard. Okay, cast again.
Cast again, Marco.
Cast again, to the left. Long cast. Strip.
Yes.
Yes, keep stripping down. Well done now.
Papa, this is show with you. This is entertainment.
I had it on and then I lose it.
But it'll all work out, and eventually the fish will come to hand. We have quite a few different styles of fishing for GTs. Obviously, our sight fishing venture is what everybody gets all excited about. So we have GTs that are sitting on rays that are on nice white sand flats. We've got GTs that are in the grass, also on a shark or a ray or something along those lines, which is obviously a very exciting way to fish them. Another exciting venture, being in the surf. Very, very skinny water, walking on the turtle grass, the tide starts coming in, all of a sudden you've got, again, a ray, and it's got 3-4 GTs behind it, or you've got a really big fish which is cruising along and he's got 2/3 of his body out the water, big dorsal fin, almost looks like a shark, basically. So yeah, just so many different locations, so many different exciting scenarios that can occur. And then, yeah, just simply walking on the beach. Again, just an edge, whether it be coral, whether it be sand, walking along, and nice high tide, and those fish are just sort of just cruising along the edge, and you get the opportunity to have a shot at them then.
Yeah, looks like about 10 fish, some big ones in there. Hoping they're going to turn and come back along the shoreline here, and we'll get a shot at them. Right, come up, get into the bay here. Helmut's going to be behind them. That's it, Helmut. That's a good job.
You need to fight hard to be hard.
Just inhale that beast fire, man. Got the Bimini coming back over the beach now, so we've got about 30 meters of fly line in the water. That is right there.
Yeah! Oh! Right.
That's the one. Good work, Helmut. Great fish, my man.
cut a shot. Like 10 big fish on the beach. Oh, got a nice one. 99. Close enough.
What happened there?
So we pulled up to the end of the sand spit, just poling around the corner, and then big group of fish, all sat just following a shoal of mullet. Crept round them, made the shot. As we stripped the fly, the whole shoal came, massive take. Oh, got it, meter fish. Well,
Great show.
nearly a meter fish, 99.
Once you've caught it and you bring it to hand, you can also notice a lot of things. You look at the size of the fish. It's not always the length. Let's call it a meter 20. You get meter 20s that are obviously a meter 20 centimeters, but you get some which their shoulders are like 30 centimeters wide. And that is an impressive fish. That makes the difference between a 95 and a 110, for example. And it makes a difference in the fight, it makes a difference in your picture, it makes a difference in how much you want it, really. When we hook up on these big fish, it is very, very important that we fight them as hard as possible. They are extremely strong, they explode into the distance, take off, and we need to try and keep that fly line on the reel. Yes, you've got backing, but the further he gets away, the more he starts winning the advantage. It's got a big plate-sized body, which is now in the current and things like that. On foot, this makes it very difficult. On boat, we've got the opportunity to quickly race up, start the motor, get on top of that fish and fight it very, very hard. In a way, I kind of want to say we need to break that fish's spirit. Try and keep that purple above the water, just so I know where he is.
Come on, keep up. There's strange fish. Very strong fish.
Only when you can, obviously.
Maybe pull it. Oh man, it's a beast! It's a beast!
Well done, Helmut. You fought it like an absolute champion. Well done.
Doesn't look promising today.
No.
Absolutely no. That's the worst weather you can have. Now the wind increased too. Before was less wind, now it's a lot of wind too. Fine.
Yeah, it's big, GT. You see, look at me, Helmut. Look at me. Look at me, look at me. Take your time. That cast like this, Helmut.
Like this?
Yeah, that cast 10 o'clock. That cast 10 o'clock. Take your time. Long cast, shoot it. Good cast. Close ship, long ship. Long ship, long ship. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Sit. 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 Well done. Pick up all that stack, Helmut. Back on the fly line.
Stop, stop, stop. Got the boat on the boat. It's in the corner. Now it's going again. It's going again.
You're doing well, Helmut. You just got to lift him off the bottom there. Starting to come up slowly here. This is good. Okay, pump and one, pump and one. Come back round on the left. I'm going to grab him on the left. Keep him coming left.
It's the time to get it. Wow!
Yeah, that's a big fish, man. Maybe.
Oh, crazy!
124.
This is Eli. Eli is, for me, is the rain man. Always, I fished now 3 times with him, and always when he get on my boat, it's a rainy day. But this time, he bring me this fucking surprise, you know?
Okay.
Goodbye. Goodbye, good fish. Rain man! Well done, guys. Good. Yes, Marco's turn now. Now we need to bring Marco on a fish.
It's my turn?
Your turn, Marco.
Okay.
Time to shine.
But I stopped working in my life. I don't work anymore. I'm retired.
One more fish.
Okay. When you say that, Vaidas, I will do it.
Marco finally got the good one.
Finally Marco got the fish, huh? Bye. Bye.
We did it!
Oh, Papa! Yeah, Papa! Monster again!
A really nice fish caught today. Helmut, you tend to always bring good weather, good fishing, all of those things. You failed slightly on the weather side of things, but you still managed to drag a fish out of the reef today. You got a lovely GT today, 1 meter 21, so congratulations.
Wow.
Really well fished.
Thank you.
Second pair of shorts in 2 days.
Big Jeet fighting.
Big Jeets, landing big Jeets. So aggressive.
East of the flat diamond.
Roaring around, coming in on the fly.
Beast.
Big, strong, and aggressive, eh? So I'd say that's how I describe him.